In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a zip file in Laptop. So this is very simple, especially in Windows 11. Now, you first have to find a file or a folder you would like to make the zip file of. I'm going to copy this, basically this video inside my folder over here, so I have a full folder. And what you want to do is simply, if you're trying to make a zip file of a folder, you want to right-click on the folder while the folder is selected, and then you want to click compress the zip file. As you can see, it gives you the option to name it. I'm going to leave as example folder, press enter, and there we go. You've got yourself a zip file. If you open it, there's an example folder in there with the video I just put in there. Now, that's how you make a zip folder. If you want to make a file zip, so if I want this video to be zip, I want to right click on it and click compress the zip file, and this will create a zip folder, as you can see. You then press enter, you can rename it of course, and once I open it, inside there's this example video. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.